Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is Tuesday Tablescape, and I decided to do a fall tablescape. So come along with me as I show you what I've come up with. Okay, so now we're gonna go here at the table. The plates are from the Dollar Tree. The small pumpkins are from Joann Fabric. The black and white ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. The large pumpkins are from Kroger. And the check pumpkins here are from the Dollar Tree. The leaves are from Joann Fabric. The coasters are from the Dollar Tree. The fall pillow covers are from Amazon. I would like to thank Eminence Adventures and Grace Life Home Decor for inviting me to this open collaboration. If you are a part of the design family, thanks for coming by. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. I will be leaving the two ladies' information in my description box, so make sure you go by and check out their videos. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.